Hey guys, so I made a live video today and I realized that I did not touch on what could be planted outside this far. I touched more on how to protect your plants. So some cold tolerant plants that you could have already planted outside are your greens, so lettuce, spinach, arugula, kale. Kale is great in cold. Carrots, your brassicas, so cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. You could get away with cauliflower, and then you could do onions, and then even some herbs. So you could do chives, oregano, mint, thyme. So those are some great plants you could put outside already. You will still want to cover if there is chance of a hard frost, because remember, they're cold tolerant, not cold proof. Yeah.